Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to introduce and explain the Unit 2 in the second grade, and I'm going to start with this picture. Please look at this picture. What can you see? Here we can see, yes, here we can see a kitchen. Very good. And I can see a man here, and I can see some different food. Who is going to give me some names of these foods and drinks? Yes, chicken, very good. And we have cheese. Let's move to the unit and the title of this unit. Who is going to tell me what's the title of our unit? Yes, very good. Excellent answer. In the kitchen. All together? In the kitchen. This is a kitchen. Here we can see the kitchen. At the end of this unit, we are going to achieve these two aims. First, to say what food they like, and number two, to say what food people like. Now, we are going to have this poster, and I'm going to ask you, what can you see in this picture? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite drink? Yes, here I can see different food. Who is going to name some of these food? Yes, cheese, excellent. Nuts, very good. Fish, excellent answer. Melon, ice cream, excellent. And what we call all of these? We call it a kitchen. We can find food and drinks in the kitchen. Okay, let's move to another one. Here we have a first word, and we are going to spell and read this word. What's this word? Yes, let's spell first. K-U-N-A-F-E-H. Excellent. What's this word? Who is going to tell me? Yes, kunafa. Very good. Kunafa. Here we have another picture, but who is going to tell me what is this word? Raise your finger, please. Thank you. Rice. All together. Rice. Great answers. Another food here. What is it? Yes, meat. Very good. Meat. I like meat. Very good. Another word. Yes, who is going to tell me what is this word? Fish. All together, fish. You are great. Very good. Here we have another picture. Also, salad. Excellent answer. You are great. For the last time all together, salad. Another food. What is it? Who is going to tell me? Yes, chicken. All together, chicken. Very good. Here we can see another word. What is it? Ice cream. Very good. Ice cream. Thank you. And here we can see the last word. Who is going to tell me what is this word? What is this food? You like it very much. Yes, chocolate. All together, chocolate. Thank you. Here we have a question, and we have different pictures, but I need some of you and one of you to read this question. Who is going to read this question? Yes? Great answer. What do you like? Who is going to tell me? What do you like? What do you prefer? Yes, I like apples. Great. I like nuts. Excellent. I like rice. Great answers. Here we have an activity. What is this activity, and what does this activity ask us to do? We are going to read the sentences, then we are going to match. Read and match. Who is going to read the first answer correctly? Yes, thank you. I like kunafa. Which picture is kunafa? He's going to tell me. Yes, this is kunafa. So we are going to match. Sentence number 2. What is this sentence? Who is going to read this sentence correctly? Yes, I like ice cream. Which picture is ice cream? This picture. Match this sentence with this picture. Third one, yes, thank you. I like oranges. Very good. This is oranges, and this is oranges picture, and we are going to match this picture with this sentence. Thank you. Let's move. Here we are going to talk about what other people like or dislike. We are not going to talk about myself. I'm going to talk about Sami, Tala, Jamila, anyone about her or his favorite food or drink. Who is going to read the question above Sami? Yes, thank you. What does Sami like? Excellent reading. We are going to look at Sami and look at what under Sami. Yes, I can see chocolate. So, what does Sami like? Thank you. He for Sami because he's a boy. Then we are going to put S. He likes chocolate. Now we are going to move to Tala. Tala is a girl, and we are not going to use he as Sami, and I'm not going to use I because I am not Tala. But before, I need one of you to read the question. Yes, please. What does Tala like? Excellent reading. Who is going to give me the answer? What does Tala like? She, because Tala is a girl, then we are going to say likes, and she likes meat. So we have to know the different pronouns. I like if I'm going to talk about myself. He likes if I'm going to talk about Sami, boy. She likes if I'm going to talk about a girl, such as Tala. Here we have Jamila, and I have a big question above Jamila. What about Jamila? Who is going to read the question? Yes. What does Salwa. What does Salwa like? Look at Salwa. Here we have two things that Salwa like. What am I going to do? First, we are going to read a sentence, and I need someone of you to read it correctly. Yes, please. She likes dates and olives. Very good. She, for Salwa, likes dates and olives. Be careful for and. If I have two things, I'm going to put and in it. I like, for example, oranges and apples. I don't have to say I like oranges, I like apples. No, I have to say I like oranges and apples. I like chocolate and bananas. I like ice cream and rice. So we have to put and. Be careful for this point. Here we have an activity, and this activity, what is the rubric? Right, we are going to hold our pencils and we are going to complete the missing letter, But before here we have different letters, and I need one of you to read these letters for me. Who is going to tell me what is this letter? Yes, T. The name is T. The sound is ta. Excellent. Another letter. What is this letter? Yes, I. Great. The name is I. The sound is eh. The name is I. The sound is eh. The last letter, who is going to give me the name and the sound? Yes, S. The name is S. The sound is sa. The name is S. The sound is sa. Let's move to the pictures and to the word. Here I have a missing word. What is the missing word? Think correctly and try to give me the answer. Yes, a great answer. The missing letter here is S. Very good. And the word is going to be salad. Excellent. Another word and another picture. What's this? Rice. Very good. What is the missing letter? Yes, great. I, rice. Very good. Let's move to the third picture and word. We have here meat. Excellent, meat. What is the missing letter? Meat. Ta at the end of the word. So here we have salad, rice, and meat. Thank you. Great students and great answers. Here we are going to talk about numbers. Here we are going to talk about numbers, but before I'm going to ask you, what's this number? Who is going to tell me what's this number? Yes, it's number 11. Again, it's number 11. Very good. Another number. What's this number? What's this number? Yes, who is going to tell me? It's number 12. Excellent. Again, all together, it's number 12. What is this number? Who is going to tell me what is this number? Yes, yes, yes. It's number 13. Excellent. It's number 13. I'm going to ask you, and you are going to give me what is the number. Okay, what's this number? Hurry up. Very good. It's number 13. Excellent answer. Who is going to tell me what's this number? Yes, it's number 11. Very good. What's this number? Hurry up. It's number 12. Excellent answer. And be careful for these numbers. Here we are going to talk, how can I write numbers? I told you, and I'm going to remember you again, all the numbers, we are going to write them from line 1 to line 3, and I'm going to look at this board, I'm going to write 14, 11, 13, and 12. Let's start with 11. From 1 to 3rd. Another one, from 1 to 3rd. Be careful, from left to right. Something like this. You are not going to say 1, then 1. No. This and this. This is 11. This is the correct. This is the correct writing for 11. If I'm going to write it 12, 1, then 2. Be careful. From 1 to 3rd. Don't write on the 4th line. 1 plus 3. Here we have 13. Be careful. From left to right. It's number 11, it's number 12, and it's number 13. This is the correct writing. Here we are going to count and write. So, here we have what? Yes, who is going to give me nuts? Excellent. And I have dates. Very good. Excellent answers. But before this, we are going to count the nuts and write the number beside the word nuts. Who is going to count the nuts? Yes. How many nuts? Excellent. But before we are to count, let's start. 1, 2, 3, all together. 4, aloud. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So how many nuts? Who is going to give me 12 nuts? Very good. So I'm going to put the 12 here. Let's move to the dates. How many dates? Let's count with each other. Yes, aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many dates? Yes, great answer. 8 dates. 8 dates. I'm going to put 8. So, 12 nuts and 8 dates. You are great students. Thank you. Now, we are going to move to another activity. But here we are going to talk about letters. Letters of our unit, letters that we are going to know how to write it and how to say it. But before, who is going to tell me what is this letter? Yes, yes, thank you. The name is E, the sound is eh. The name is E, the sound is eh. You are great. Let's move to the second letter. What is this letter? All together? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, very good. The name is O. What is the sound for O? O, 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 E, eh. Be careful for the name and for the sound. I'm going to say the name and you are going to say the sound. The name is E, the sound is eh. The name is O, the sound is U. Now we are going to move to the board to know how to write E and how to write O. Let's start with E small and capital. Then we are going to move to another letter. Look at the board and try to write the letters correctly, please. We are going to start with E, egg, for example. What about E in the middle? We are not going to write above and we are not going in the bottom line. We are going to put E in the middle, something. Underline 2, we are going to say E, okay? E, I'm going to complete. Under, something like this. You don't have to write it like this. No, we cannot accept this. Okay, how to write E? Be careful for the letter E. Like this, okay? E capital, as we said, all the capitals from first line to third line. Okay, this is E, from left to right. What about O? The same, small, in the middle, and the capital from first line to second. This is the correct writing for O, okay? Now, we have here our feedback, the last. Here we can see a pyramid. What are you going to do with your mom or with your dad at home? You are going to draw this pyramid and you are going to choose food that you like and to stick in this pyramid food that you like or a drink that you like. For me, I'm going to read these words: meat, rice, salad, ice cream, melon, nuts, apples, oranges, kunafa. You are going to choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different items of food or drinks and to write it in this pyramid and try to send this drawing and this work for me on Messenger or Facebook group. Thank you and goodbye, my kids.